Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a new hair tutorial. So y'all are aware already that I'm filming these videos all over again. They're styles that I've already posted to Instagram. Footage got messed up and yeah, here we are. So this is going to be a quick style. I have already pretty much started the style because it's really hard for me to part my hair. I have to stand in the mirror and you know, it's really technical. So I've already parted off my triangle in the back. You don't have to do that, it just adds a little extra something to it. I've already put my hair up into a bun, and this section is supposed to be like curly, but we'll just have to see if I do like some wash and go curls or what I end up doing, because the last time I actually had a part down the middle and two separate sides of bangs, but it was a bit much and I actually didn't like the style at all. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, in today's video we'll be using our better length clip-ins. These were freshly washed, moisturized, and ready to go the last time, but now they dried up a little bit. They're a little dry now. They still look good. I'm gonna begin by adding these clips, these clip-ins to my bun that I have here. Just gonna slide it up through that hair carefully and snap it. So if you've been following my vids for a while, then you're aware of this technique already, but we just add our clip-ins by sliding them up through the hair and then we snap it. And I'm pretty much going to do this all over my whole entire ponytail. And once I'm done with that, I'm actually going to open it up and add a smaller clip-in around my actual bun because I noticed it peeking through. And now I'm going to pull a piece from the back and I'm going to use this to cover up my clip-ins, you know, the snaps as well as the wefts. And I'm just going to wrap this around until I have everything covered very well and our ponytail is complete. Now I'm going to use a rubber band and I'm going to make a bun. I like to use a rubber band because it's really thin and you can't tell that it's there. And I opened that bun up like a flower. And now I'm adding the hair that was left over to my next ponytail to give the illusion of a little mini bun. And I'm following the same exact steps with my clip-ins, snapping, and wrapping. Because I was dealing with such a small ponytail, I had to make sure that I really wrap the clip-ins around really tightly so that it would kind of mold itself to the shape of that small ponytail that I had. And I was also attaching the clip-ins to each other, so it's not it's not damaging or it's not uncomfortable. And I'm going to take another piece and wrap it around my base. I had to use a thicker piece in order to cover up the wefts for, this ponytail since I was working with such a small ponytail underneath. But I think I did a pretty good job of covering it. Now we're just going to fluff the hair. I didn't want the ponytail to be too much. I wanted it to have a very realistic look, and I think I did a pretty good job of it. What do you guys think? So yeah, this is it. Boom, boom, boom. Remember to open your ponytail up like a flower. But that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this, please give me a big old thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video.